Hello, I'm Andy Morton from Sallerton Wood. Today I'm going to introduce you into how to make a kuksa. So a kuksa is a traditional Scandinavian drinking bowl or cup. Here are some examples. A couple here in sycamore and another couple in spalted alder. Right, here's my blank. So there I've got a piece of wood ready to mark a kuksa on. That's the centre line. Here I'm just going to roughly sketch around. I'm now going to take this over to the chopping block and split these two pieces off. So there's the grain line. I'm just going to follow that up to about there and then check that that's okay on the back as well, which it should be. So there, and that's come away. That's safe, and the same the other side. Yeah, that should, yep. So there, that just, so I'm just going to pare the wood away. You can start to see the lovely colours in the alder now as that shavings peel off. I'm just going to now mark a bit of a line further in for the base of the kuksa and then do a little bit of shaping there before then carving out the inside. It's only very rough at this stage. So I'm going to take it over to the shaving horse. I'm using the spoke shave now, so that was finished by the side axe. I'm now going to just round over the hard corners I've got. Push the grain away there. Now I'm happy that I've got the rough shape at the outside of the bowl. I'm going to clamp it to the bench and start the inside by carving it out. I'm going to start in the middle. Start with small shavings. You notice I'm going across the grain here, and that's because I can do these long shavings across the grain. If I'm going lengthways on the grain, I'm going to try lifting up the grain and tearing it, so you've then got to keep on going to and fro. So I'm starting off at least across the grain. So I'm deliberately leaving a little bit of extra thickness on the rim to start with. This is for when I'm working my way down. There's a bit of levering going on and that will bruise the rim, so I want to get down to depth and then have another finish of the side walls. So as I get a bit deeper, the angle of the curved gouge doesn't really suit the bottom of the bowl, so I've got here a ring tool which will get to the bottom there. When you're finishing the final cuts, try not to take too much material off, just tiny little wisps. There. Now I've got the outside, the inside all roughed out nicely. I can think about the handle and the shape I want. Bevel that bit off now. I'm still leaving the handle long at the moment, which will help me hold it with the hand whittling. So as far as I'm going to go at that stage, I'll go on to the craft knife now. So cut the handle off now. Just going to clean up the end. Okay, that's basically it. I'll put that aside to dry, and then when it's dry I can either go over chip carve the thing or sand it.